everyone, this is Jenny. So in this video we will do an unboxing. So before we're gonna do that, if you are new to this channel, Channel Ashly Bayaban, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also please click on the notification bell to get notified on our next or upcoming videos. So let's get started. So I got this delivery today. So I waited for 2 weeks to get this order that I've ordered from online. So it's my shoes. So let's open it. So this is not a fancy shoes, but it is a useful one. It's a useful shoes because I'm gonna use it at work. So basically this is a safety shoes. So I got it from online. So habang nag-browse ako sa Facebook, actually yung aking asawa ang unang nag-order nito. So nakita ko kasi na comfortable yung shoes at saka napakagaan. So ordered also my own. So ang quality ng shoes na to is gawa siya sa lightweight material. So ang gaan niya talaga. So ito yung perfect na shoes na gagamitin ko sa work ko. Sa work ko kasi like the whole day nakatayo ako. By the way, I work at grocery store. So minamanage ko yung isang department, which is the deli department. So it's basically sandwich, cheese, and cold cuts. So ako po yung nagmamanage sa department na yun. So kailangan ko talaga ng safety shoes because humahawak kami ng kutsilyo. We're dealing with knives, and slippery yung floor. So kailangan talaga yung comfortable na shoes, and then tawag dito, yung hindi siya talaga madulas. So I think this is the perfect shoe for me. Kasi gawa nga siya sa parang rubbery. So madikit siya sa floor. Okay, so I have this 6 reason why I like these shoes. First, because it was made of lightweight material. So dito niya makikita mo pag pinisil mo siya malambot. Pero para siyang goma. And then this part is parang ano siya, parang made of cloth, pero ano siya, matibay. And then parang garterized din siya. So second, why I like these shoes is because it's soft and comfy. So pagpasok mo ng paa mo dito, napakalambot niya. So parang may foam yung kanyang loob. Tapos pag inapakan mo siya, parang kutsyon ba. So parang ang sarap sa paa. And then third, bakit gusto ko tong sapatos na to? Because it's anti-slip. Kumbaga, kung slippery yung floor, ay hindi ka basta-basta madudulas. Kasi itong swelas niya na to, ito yung tinatawag niya na Eva sole. So ito yung material na gamit dito is parang goma. So sa sahig dumidikit siya. Kahit pa basa yung floor. So hindi ka basta-basta madudulas dahil kumakapit siya. So ito yung part na to, yung parang rough. Ito yung didikit sa floor para hindi ka madulas. Fourth, gusto ko tong sapatos na to is iron scrap resistance. So yung part na to ng sapatos, yung tinatawag na swelas sa Tagalog. Pagka may naapakan kang sharp or pointed material or pointed things, parang siya, hindi siya basta-basta matutusok, hindi siya basta-basta mapupunit. Kasi siya, resistant siya. So ibig sabihin hindi siya tinatablan. Makikita nyo sa kung pupuntahan nyo siya online, yung demo nila is makikita nyo na inaapak ito sa may mga nails, may mga pako, and then yung mga scrap ng iron scrap, yung mga matutulis or mga sharp na bagay, hindi siya pumapasok, hindi siya napupunit, or hindi siya nabubutas. So kaya nagustuhan ko to kasi nga yung nakita ko sa demo. And then next one, number 5, itong sapatos na to is perfect po sa mga nagtatrabaho na they're dealing with sharp materials or sharp things, kagaya ng knives, ng nails. Sa mga construction din, advisable to na magandang gamitin nila kasi syempre pag nakakaapak ka ng pako or pag nababagsakan ka, at least ito kasi matibay. So yung panglima, speaking of matibay, yun yung panglima bakit ko nagustuhan yung shoes na to. Kasi it's a European standard steel head. So ito po yung sinatawag na head. So it was made of European standard steel. So ang akala nyo soft itong part na to, soft siya, na parang rubberized lang siya. Pero pagdating dito sa head na to, kaya siya considered na safety shoes kasi nga itong part na to parang bato, may metal siya, steel para yung bakal, pero yung timbang ng sapatos is napakagaan. So I don't know kung anong klase, ang sinabi lang is European standard steel head. So yun yung ginamit dito sa part na to, nasa loob niya. So pag pinisel mong ganyan, ang tigas. Makikita rin yun sa demo kung gaano katigas to kasi nandun lahat. So tawag dito, normally ang mga safety shoes is mabigat, and then hindi ganito yung niya, texture niya, parang siya, parang leather din siya, and then talaga makikita mo sa labas pa lang is matigas na kasi nga for safety nga. Pero ito kung titignan mo parang normal lang siya na rubber shoes or sneakers, pero hindi mo alam safety shoes siya. And then the last one na quality ng sapatos na to kaya nagustuhan ko is cool and refreshing. Cool and refreshing kasi sa part na to parang siya, parang tela, pero siya, parang garterized siya actually. And then sa side niya, it has like tiny holes on it. So breathable po yung sapatos. So hindi siya mainit pag nakamedyas ka ng makapal. parang nakakahinga pa rin yung ano mo, yung paa mo, or presko pa rin yung paa mo kasi it has holes, like tiny holes on the side para makapasok yung hangin. So it's breathable and refreshing. So I guess yun yung mga qualities ng sapatos na to, kaya ko in order from online. So gagamitin ko to, and then let's see. And that's it. So this is my new shoes, but it's my work shoes. Sapatos ko to sa aking trabaho para safe ako. So this is for your own safety. Use these safety shoes. Safety first, safety shoes. So yan po, like, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you like more of our video, or if you want more of our video, so just subscribe to our channel or check on our YouTube channel. It's Channel Ashly Bayaban. So if you want more videos, or if you have any requests videos or suggestions, or anything that you want us to feature on our channel, you can comment down below. And I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And please don't forget again to like, share, subscribe to our channel, and see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye. God bless.